Hello everyone, welcome back to Skyhawk Productions. Today I'll be showing you my custom Lego CCKW 353 truck. The CCKW 353 truck was designed in 1941 and was built from 1941 to 1945. And it was used all the way up until the 1960s, but it started getting gradually replaced in the 1950s. I've actually had this built for a while. Some of the longtime viewers might recognize it from the Battle of Guam stop motion, but I did upgrade it a little bit recently, mostly in the cab area, but it has a box right here and an axe on this side, and then a tire in another box over there. The back can open, and it can fit one person in the cab, but it's a pain to take it all apart to fit them in there, so I'm not going to do that. And I did want to show that it had a canvas tarp thing, so I used a piece of construction paper for that. Actually worked really nice. It's got a steering wheel. I don't know how well you can see that, but it is there. And then in the back can fit 4 troops when they're fully loaded with their weapons and gear. And if they don't, I think it can fit 6 or 8 people maybe. I don't know, I haven't tested that. In real life it could fit 10 people in the back and then 12 in the cab. This is the underside of it. And these were primarily used for troop transport and cargo, but they were also used for transporting injured soldiers and building and bridge laying. Let me know if you want a tutorial for this, and I'll see you next week with another video, probably an airplane, probably an L4 grasshopper. See you next week. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.